Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making Indian masala rice. You have tried Chinese fried rice, but let me tell you, try this recipe. It is better than Chinese fried rice. So for this we need boiled rice, tomato, green chili, garlic, onion, whole spices, bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon, clove, cumin seed, curry leaf, coriander leaf, salt, garam masala, coriander seed powder, red chili powder and turmeric. In a pan, take 2 teaspoons of refined oil, add 1 bay leaf, 1 inch of cinnamon, 3 to 4 black pepper, 2 to 3 clove, 1 cardamom. Cook it for half a minute. Cook the whole spice for half a minute. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, add 8 to 10 curry leaf, add green chili as per your taste, chopped green chili. I'm using 2 green chili, add 3 cloves of chopped garlic, now add 1 chopped onion, cook till onion is pink. Now add 2 chopped tomato, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it and cook it for 1 minute. Now add salt to taste. Mix it. Now you can see your masala is ready. So we have to add already cooked boiled rice and mix it very well on low flame. Rice has to coated with masala, so add little rice, mix it, then again add rice and mix it. Now we have to sprinkle some water, very little, 2 to 3 teaspoons of water. Sprinkle it and cover it and leave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, uncover it, garnish it with coriander leaf, and your very tasty Indian masala rice is ready. Thank you.